Hello again. I'm going to call this Have Rag Will Swipe. I haven't done a 16 by 20 canvas for a while. I've been going through my inventory getting ready to hang an exhibition, and I have an idea of what I want. I want a rainbow colored swipe with a black end, black swipe. This is my wet, wrung out, mostly, cotton rag, the hem of a t-shirt. I've shown this like I don't know how many times before, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay my colors down in zigzags, and I'd like them to be wider than they've been, and I'm going to use my spatula at some point. What did I do there? I don't know. Well, it'll be fine because a swipe is a swipe is a swipe, and it pretty much always works out pretty well. There isn't going to be any silicone in these colors. So much for my rainbow pattern of things. That's my favorite color. I am not on top of my game. Let's give us 19 minutes and figure we got 18. I'm just going to have some fun putting my colors down, and it doesn't matter if I'm sharing with you or not, because this is something for me. It's what I want, except for I'm not really thrilled with that clog tip, but it's coming about. So, not much on all that hot and hairy about the green. Let's do this. Let's do some of that anyway, if it'll come out. Yep. If I go overboard, I'm going to have a lot of color I don't want, but I'm kind of hoping I can avoid that somehow. Now I want this pink that I always complain about, because it always makes everything work better. Don't ask me why. Maybe it's because it's mostly a very light color. Here is my neon folk art multi-surface paint. Can't get enough of that. Let's put some black in there. Let's put some more gold in there, especially some more gold. Yeah. I wonder if I could just swipe this without ever worrying about using my spatula. I kind of like to use the spatula just because it helps push the paint down over the sides. I have a lot of paint in my way. When the swipe starts, I have some purples I didn't use. This looks like a mostly purple swipe. Honestly, it does. So what that means to me is I'm probably going to do some other weird stuff. Like throw some colors that are unexpected in unexpected places and not worry about it. What else? Gold, black, black. Black, blue. Got a Floetrol booger. Hello, booger. Go on. Out you come. Yuck. Okay, that was gross. That's my rag. That's my straw. Make sure not to pick that up. Okay, I wanted to have a black end. But now that I look at it, I want to use some gold. Not only that, since there are no rules in my game, I'm going to put some green next to it. What am I missing? I know what I'm missing. I am missing something I've been missing all day. This fabulous color right here. Let's give it a little stir with whatever's handy. Obviously I have that to use up. Yes, none of that today. My friend told me yesterday she did not like this color, and evidently I took it to heart without even realizing it. I like this color. This is green gold color shift, and it is fabulous. And let's just wish that we had the correct spatula and dump that in the bucket. Okay, bye-bye. This is my wet rag, as I've said. These are colors in my way. I may have also mentioned. There's no turquoise in there. Wow. That's unlike me. There's going to be way too much paint, but you know what? I don't care. I had a few things fall over. It's not windy anymore. I'm going to wipe off my straw. And I have a piece of freezer paper at the end. And I'm going to take my wet rag and fold over the floppier part. I'm going to take the hem end. I'm going to go across. Maybe that would be an interesting idea. Just zigzag right up the whole thing. We could do that. Let's do that. I haven't done a big one. I don't mind if I do. I'm just going to use the colors I've got on there. Celebrating a rainbow swipe. Lots and lots of extra color. And because I zigzag back and forth with the cloth, it's covering the sides really nicely. Except for that gold area. But that's okay, because we'll figure that out. I have all that extra paint. I'm just going to be belligerent and use it down below that. And what am I going to do with that? I'm going to put that right down on top of that black splooge and not worry about it. I'm going to lift this end of the canvas up because if we get a lot of extra color, it's been unlevel today. And then I'm going to take my straw. After I wipe the paint off, I don't really wear black lipstick very often. I know the paint always runs under whatever your swipe color is. I don't know why. It's illogical, but it doesn't really matter at this point because I know that there's colors in this that I can't see and I'm going to blow until I find them. And I'm really tempted just to let that continue to run down in the direction it's headed. Like, even though we have zigzags, which I don't want to screw up, and I just did. Okay. Fake it. It's a great sell day. Really, it is. No love bugs, not in my face, not in my art. Go away. 'Tis the season. This is interesting, huh? Wonder if it's going to be what I want it to be. Let's turn it around so I can get a better angle on the straw. I think I would be tipping it if I hadn't already done the weaving pattern. Boy, I got some paint down there, I'll tell you what. Alright, I'm going to do it again. From this side, I really kind of want to take that rag and just stick it down there, but I don't think that's going to be happening. So, what do? I don't mind what I've got, but it could use some black down there or something. Fingers. Let's see what fingers will do. Fingers might do something. Might do something I don't want. Or if I don't tell and you don't tell, I might get away with it. It's always a good thing. Yep, good camouflage. I'm not unhappy with that. Let's see what happens when I go a little further with a spatula. I can't really stand the big hanging open end. I'm loving that orange. I just have to know what happens if I do these things at least once. That's cool. I'm going to do it again. I like that. Ooh, looks like I might have a hair in there I can't see. Yep, I'm not unhappy with that at all. I'm going to use my spatula to tap the wet paint back over. I haven't been wearing my glasses on my head all this time and not using them. Yes, sir. Yes is what they say in Maine. I'm not really a Mainer. I was just stuck there for 10 years or so. Longer, probably. I'm not going to hate that. I'm not hating on that at all. I'm going to just take my straw and continue until I really love what I got. Just drag my fingernail through that. I am tending to want to go ahead and camouflage my start. Getting some really nice cells today, and I'm happy with those. And sometimes a little goes a long way. Put my glasses on, maybe I can see what I'm doing, huh? Oh, it's still nice. Cool. It's really no wonder at all this is so addictive. Once you've been doing it a while and you've made a few mistakes like I have, or had a few successes like I have, you pretty much have a pretty good idea what you want to do. And it takes a certain amount of bravery to just go ahead and screw with something that's already beautiful. But if you don't, you'll never find out what's under there, and I need to know. And I'm not complaining at all, not a bit. And this torch has been weird all day, but I'm going to risk it anyway. I'm trying to start it really low. Yep, we got some stuff popping. Even if it was just, you know, air bubbles, it'd be okay. I had my last painting catch on fire like 3 times on camera. That was cool. Very cool. Now, agitating the paint will pop cells, so I'm not worried about touching my painting. I'm not even worried about being really strange and spiraling some stuff out. I wonder how many times I can do that and get away with it. Probably endlessly, since I've been getting away with it all this time. Just as soon not leave any canvas showing. Kind of looks like there's some silicone in there, but I don't know where it came from. I didn't put it in there. I think a few spirals, just here and there. That's really deep. That's really neat. It's really, really different, and I like it. And I think, even though we have quite a bit of time left, it's late in the day. It's happy hour. It's time to go take advantage of that. I don't know about that. I can go away. And I might, just might, have enough sun left to actually take a picture of this. That doesn't look like anything else I've done before, except for the smaller versions of the same wavy pattern, but by the same token, it doesn't look like anything else I've done before other than those. And now I have a full series. I'm going to take the paint that's kicking around and do the edges. Just take a moment and notice whatever might be missing. Drop some gold in places it needs to go, because it's kind of see-through most of the time you use it. And I'll fix the rest after you're gone. And I'm going to tell my honey I did it again. Cool. Hey, look, I wasn't showing you the whole thing, but I am now. So forgive me. And I'll see you again. Oh my God, I might have to spiral this out for like 20 minutes. No, I won't. Maybe I will. I probably won't. Maybe I will. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.